Hello YouTube, I have my new phone, got today, a new mobile phone, Sony Xperia Z1. Fantastic. Fantastic. Black. This model is the black one. Sony Xperia 20.7 megapixel XMOR RS for mobile. It's a fantastic 2.2 gigahertz processor. This is a beast of a mobile phone, and some of the best. This mobile phone have the best camera today. The best camera in a mobile. Okay. We open it here. Okay. 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 Looks like this. HD, voice ready. What's this? HD, voice ready. I don't know what's voice ready. Here is the lowly phone. Wow. So thin. This is a fantastic piece of work. Yeah, of course, with look. Xperia. An extremely good battery. Wow. We put this here. We open the box and we see what's inside the box. It's here. Here is the phone. Okay, let us see. Some commercial, of course. Some commercial about the new phone. Don't miss out on getting the best out of your new Xperia Z1. Yeah. Yes. Okay. And Sony Upstart. I think it's on my language. Nordic. Yeah, it's Nordic. Yeah. Okay. What's more, this is a little bit cool. It's a dock for loading battery. We have this dock. Yeah, it's nice. So you can set the phone down here and upload, so you don't have to open this, because it's waterproof too. This phone is waterproof down to 1.5 meter, and here you can put it straight down and upload battery very easy. So this dock is cool. It's nice thing. And some things to the dock maybe. Here it's a charger, a normal charger, Sony charger, soft charger, micro USB to computer USB. Yeah, charger, and this dock. Yeah, it's nice. And some commercial about about the phone. You can take a quick, yeah, it's a little bit about what is an Android, yeah, Google account and different things, how use camera, how use this, how use that, but I have been with many phones before, so that's no big problem. Let us take a little look on this lowly phone. Okay, we take out this. Look here, fantastic. Have you seen? Look at this. Wow. And here. Wow. Look, it's a piece of work. Piece of art. I mean, a piece of work, of course it's a work, but it's a piece of art. So fantastic. And the battery must sit inside because I have no battery here, so of course this is plug and play. I think battery is in. Yeah, fantastic. Wow. Yeah, so beautiful. Here is the cards. It's about micro SD. Yeah. Here it's, I think here is a speaker, maybe. Fantastic. Nice. It looks very cool, very nice. And here the new optic for the new lens, 20.7 megapixel. They use the same lens in this mobile phone that they use in the compact camera, the Sony camera, digital camera. So this phone is extremely good to take picture with. That is a good reason for me to buy this new phone. I have a phone from before, a Samsung Note 2, 1 year old. That's my new beast of a phone, Sony Xperia Z1. Okay, that was unboxing. I come back with a new video when I begin to use the phone. Okay, thanks for watching.